wee-woos are coming. The wee-woos. Wee-woo. Wee-woo. Oh, cobra chickens are Canadian. No, sir. No, sir. Get the thing. I got it. Damn cobra chickens. Canada and your stupid Canadian geese, they come down here, you're the worst neighbors ever. Why do you have these stupid geese? Get them, B. Stupid cobra chickens with their heads, because they have the cobra head and then they look like a chicken. They're cobra chickens from Canada, and you are the worst neighbors ever. They come here, they eat all of our food, they poop everywhere, they make babies. Canada's the worst neighbor ever. It's bad enough we got the wee-woos, now we got the cobra chickens and the wee-woos. Damn chickens. Damn chickens. You suck, Canada.